So, good morning, students. Today we are again continuing our classes from question number 10, exercise 9.1 of chapter 9, class 10, general mathematics. Okay. So, in question 10, it is given that two poles of equal height are situated on either side of a road. Okay. So, I have written AB and CD are the two poles. Please look at the diagram. AB and CD are the two poles situated on either side of a road, that is the road is 80-meter wide, that is BD is the length of the road, and AB and CD are the two poles situated on either side of the road. Okay, from a particular point on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of one pole is what? 60 degree, and another pole is 30 degree. It is given in question, and we are to find what? We are to find the height of the poles. Okay. So what I have told you from question, I have written the diagram, and from figure I have written AB and CD are two poles of what? Equal height. Okay. BD equal to 80 meter. It is given in the question that the road is what? 80 meter wide. Okay. And angle CED I have considered, angle CED equal to what? 60 degree, and angle AEB equal to what? I have considered is 30 degree. Okay. So proceeding with considering the two triangles, we will try to find the height of the what? Height of the poles. Okay. So let's look. From triangle CED, we can write 1030 equal to what? It was 1060 CD by DE, and 1060 is what? Root 3 CD by DE, and it can be written as CD equal to DE root 3. Okay, what? CD equal to DE root 3 meter. So considering the second triangle, that is triangle AEB, we will try to find the value of what? AB. Okay. So now I am erasing this portion. Hope that you have wrote down all these things. I am erasing. So now considering the second triangle, again from this triangle, that is ABE, we can write 1030 equal to what? 1030 equal to AB by BE. Okay, 1030 equal to AB by BE, and 1030 can be written as 1 by root 3. AB here will be AB, BE here will also remain as BE. Okay, now I am writing AB equal to what? BE by root 3. Okay, AB equal to BE by root 3. This is marked as 1 and this is marked as 2. Okay. So you have note down this one and this one. So from equation 1 and 2, if we consider equation 1 and 2, then we can see that left hand side of both the equations are same. Okay, left hand side of both the equations are same, because in question it is given that AB and CD are the two poles of what? Equal heights. Okay, so now if we consider equation 1 and 2, and we all know that if one sides of two equations are same, then other sides must be equal. Okay, so now considering from 1 and 2, we can write from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get what? This part, that is DE root 3 equal to BE by root 3. Okay, so I am repeating the same thing. Since left hand side of both the equations are same, because it is given in question that the two poles are of equal heights, then I have written what? The right hand side of these two equations are also same. So now DE can be written as, if you gone through, DE can be written as this part minus this part. Okay, look at this. DE is equal to what? This part, that is BD minus BE. Okay, so I am writing DE can be written as BD minus BE into root 3. If you gone through DE, clearly I am writing BD minus BE. If you gone through the figure, you will be able to understand equal to BE by root 3. Okay. So here BD here is what? 80 minus BE. The value of BD is given in question as root 80 equal to BE by root 3. So just simplify, multiplying by root 3, that is root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Okay, I am writing root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and 3 into 80 is 240 minus 3 BE is equal to BE. Okay, I am saying the same thing again. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3, it will be what? 3, and 3 into 80 it will be 240 minus 3 BE equal to BE. So I am writing here that is 240 equal to minus 3 BE, it will be here transferred to here. 3 BE plus BE is 4 BE, and BE will be what? BE equal to 4 6 are 24, 60 meter. Okay, the value of BE what we have got is 60 meter. So putting this value either in equation 2 or 1, we will get the height of the two height of the two poles, because it is given in question that the two poles are of what? Equal height. So we don't need to put the values in both the equations, because both the height of the poles are what? Same. So if we put the value of BE either in equation or in equation 2, we will be able to get the height of the poles. Okay, so now I am writing 2 implies AB equal to what? AB equal to BE by root 3, and BE can be written as here it is 60 by root 3, and 60 I am saying things again, 60 can be written as 20 into 3. Okay, 20 into 3, and 3 again can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3, to cancel the root 3 in denominator of the fraction. Okay, so 60 here it will be 20 root 3. So if you face the problem to understand how it becomes 20 root 3, I am saying again 60 can be written as 20 into 3, and 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and 1 root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled from both numerator and denominator, and the answer will be what? 20 root 3 meter. Okay, so in just next line you write the height of the poles is equal to what? 20 root 3 meter. Okay, the height of the poles, because the two poles are of what? Equal height, so you write the height of the poles equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay.